As the Canadian government moves forward with a temporary GST holiday, many small business owners are bracing for significant challenges. The new tax measure, which will lower GST and HST on several items, including groceries, children's clothing, and certain alcoholic beverages, is set to take effect this week. While the aim is to provide relief to consumers and stimulate holiday shopping, business owners are already voicing concerns that this tax holiday could turn into a logistical nightmare. The Canadian Federation of Independent Business, that is, CFIB, has warned that the rushed rollout, which gives businesses just 2 weeks to adjust, will likely lead to confusion and errors. Dan Kelly, CFIB's president, emphasized that this timing couldn't be worse, falling smack in the middle of the busy holiday season when small businesses are already overwhelmed. Many retailers are scrambling to understand the complex rules that dictate which products qualify for the tax break. For example, certain toys for children under 14 are eligible, but not others, depending on how they are marketed. Alcoholic beverages face similar confusion, with distinctions based on alcohol content. With such nuances in the guidelines, business owners are left making quick decisions about thousands of products, with limited guidance from the Canada Revenue Agency, that is CRA. Compounding the problem is the fact that these changes require businesses to create entirely new tax categories, including differential rates for items marketed to different age groups, or for collectible versus play dolls. Retailers worry that customers will misunderstand the rules and expect store employees to become experts overnight. This situation is made even worse by the lack of clear communication from the CRA, leaving many businesses without the support they need. In some cases, businesses are turning to accountants for help, while others are simply trying to manage the best they can, hoping for the best outcome. Stores like Face-to-Face Games in Toronto, which sells toys and games, have been working hard to figure out which items qualify under the new tax breaks, but the lack of clarity is causing frustrations. The CFIB has warned that mistakes in charging taxes could lead to severe consequences later. If businesses fail to correctly apply the tax rules, they fear they could face audits, back taxes, penalties, and interest. Given the complicated nature of the new rules and the tight time frame, the CFIB is urging the government to be lenient, suggesting that the CRA should waive penalties for good faith errors and provide small businesses with a credit to help offset the costs of implementing these changes. While the GST holiday might sound like a positive initiative for consumers, it is clear that small businesses are facing a tough road ahead. Without better support and clear communication from the government, what was meant to be a tax break could turn into a logistical headache for many Canadian retailers. Stay subscribed for more videos.